Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Your love is the light that brightens my darkest days. With you, I have everything I need. You are my happy place. Love grows with time. My heart beats for you. You are my sunshine, sun. No distance can keep us apart. Our love is stronger. Your love is my favorite place to be. I found my forever in you. Love is the poetry of the heart. With you, every moment is special. Falling for you every day. Your love is my greatest gift. Love is endless. The best feeling is knowing you're mine. I choose you again and again. I love you not just for who you are, but for who I am with you. Love is not perfect, but it's real. My love for you never fades. Every second with you is precious. You are my beautiful destiny. Loving you is effortless. Love is a journey, not a destination. You are the missing piece of my heart. Love is simple, pure, and true. Your love is like a warm hug. The best love is unexpected. You are my best friend and my greatest love. Your love makes my heart race. Love is not what we have, but what we share. I need you like a heart needs a beat. You are the best part of my life. No one loves me like you do, and I love you even more. Forever isn't long enough with you.